श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक तिसरा स्वगुण परीक्षा. समास पहिला जन्म दुःख निरूपण.
Dashak 3 Commentary on Life Chapter 1 Suffering at Birth Shri Ram.
जन्म दुःखाचा अंकुर, जन्म शोकाचा सागर, जन्म भयाचा डोंगर, जळेना ऐसा.
Birth is the sprout of suffering. Birth is the ocean of sorrow. Birth is the mountain of fear which does not move.
जन्म कर्माची आटणी, जन्म पातकांची खाणी, जन्म काळाची जाचणी, नितनवी.
Birth is the treadmill of karma. Birth is the mine of sin. Birth is every new harassment by time.
जन्म कुविद्येचे फळ, जन्म लोभाचे कमळ, जन्म भ्रांतीचे पडळ, ज्ञानहीन.
Birth is the fruit of evil knowledge. Birth is the lotus of greed. Birth is the veil of illusion of ignorance.
जन्म जीवासी बंधन, जन्म मृत्यासी कारण, जन्म हेची अकारण, गथा गोवी.
Birth is bondage of the soul. Birth is the cause of death. Birth is an unnecessary entanglement.
जन्म सुखाचा विसर, जन्म चिंतेचे आगर, जन्म वासना विस्तार, विस्तारला.
Birth is forgetting of happiness. Birth is a form of worry. Birth is extended development of passion.
जन्म जीवाची अवदसा, जन्म कल्पनेचा ठसा, जन्म लावेचा वळसा, ममता रूप.
Birth is the bad patch in the life of the soul. Birth is a stamp of imagination. Birth is the embrace of a witch called false affection.
जन्म मायेचे मैदावे, जन्म क्रोधाचे विरावे, जन्म मोक्षास आडवे, विघ्न आहे.
Birth is the deception of Maya. Birth is the bravery of anger. Birth is the impediment in the way of liberation.
जन्म जीवाचे मीपण, जन्म अहंतेचा गुण, जन्म हेची विस्मरण ईश्वराचे.
Birth is the attachment of soul to body. Birth is the quality of egoism. Birth is forgetting of the God.
जन्म विषयांची आवडी, जन्म दुराशेची बेडी, जन्म काळाची काकडी, भक्षिता आहे.
Birth is liking for sense objects. Birth is the fetter of greed. Birth is a cucumber in the hand of time which he is eating.
जन्म हाची विषम काळ, जन्म हेची वोखटी वेळ, जन्म हा अतिकुष्टीळ, नरकपतन.
Birth is the bad days of calamity. Birth is evil time. Birth is the dirtiest of all the evils. It is falling into hell.
पाहता शरीराचे मूळ, या ऐसे नाही अमंगळ, रजस्वलेचा जो विटाळ, त्यामध्ये जन्मयासी.
If you see how the body is formed, you will find that there is nothing dirtier than this body because it is formed out of the menses.
अत्यंत दोष ज्या विटाळा, त्या विटाळाचाची पुतळा, तेथे निर्मळपणाचा सोहळा केवी घडे.
How can anything pure take place when the body is the very statue of the flow of menses, which is abhorred as very dirty?
रजस्वलेचा जो विटाळ, त्याचा आळोन झाला गाळ, त्या गाळाचेच केवळ शरीर हे.
The menses in the womb become part of the fetus, which later on takes birth as this body.
वरी वरी दिसे वैभवाचे, अंतरी पोतडे नरकाचे, जैसे झाकणे चर्मकुंडाचे, उघडताच न ये.
Outwardly, this body appears to be beautiful. Internally, however, it is the tanner's steeping vessel which is very dirty. One never likes to open it.
कुंड धुता शुद्ध होते, यास प्रत्ययी धुई जेते, तरी दुर्गंधी देहाते, शुद्धता न ये.
That dirty vessel can be cleaned, but this body, even if it is washed every day, is always dirty.
अस्थिपंजर उभविला, सीरा नाडी गुंडाळिला, मेद मासे सरसाविला, सांदो सांदी भरुनी.
This body is a skeleton erected and tied around by arteries and veins and fitted with fat and flesh everywhere at the joints.
अशुद्ध शब्दे शुद्ध नाही, तेही भरले असे देही, नाना व्याधी दुःखे तेही, अभ्यांतरी वसती.
The very name of blood in Sanskrit is Ashuddha, which means unclean. That is also in the body. And there are many ailments and pains residing in this body.
नरकाचे कोठार भरले, आत बाहेरी लिडबिडले, मूत्र पोतडे जमले, दुर्गंधीचे.
It is a sack of night soil, smeared inside and out, and a bag of urine emanating bad smell.
जंत किडे आणि आतडी, नाना दुर्गंधीची पोतडी, अमुप लवर्थवती कातडी, कांटाळवाणी.
There are worms in the intestines which are nothing but containers of bad smell, and the various skins are repulsive to look at, especially of the inner organs.
सर्वांगास सिरप्रमाण, तेथे बळसे वाहे घ्राण, उठे घाणी पुटता श्रवण, ते दुर्गंधी ने घवे.
The head, which is the best part of the body, has nose full of mucus, and if there is pus in the ear, the smell is very obnoxious.
डोळा निगती चिपडे, नाकी दाटती मेकडे, प्रातःकाळी घाणी पडे, मुखी मळा सारिखी.
There are excretions in the eyes, in the nose, and the bad breath in the morning need not even be described.
लाळ थुंका आणि मळ, पीत श्लेष्मा प्रबळ, तयास म्हणती मुख कमळ, चंद्रासारिखे.
The saliva, the sputum, the dirt, the bile, the mucus are all the things which make the face dirty, and people call it by a smile of lotus or moon.
मुख ऐसे कुष्टिळ दिसे, पोटी विष्ठा भरली असे, प्रत्यक्षास प्रमाण नसे, भूमंडळी.
So the face is dirty like this, and in the bowels there is excreta. No proof is necessary for an evident fact.
पोटी घालिता दिव्यांना, काही विष्ठा काही वमन, भागीरथीचे घेता जीवन, त्याची होये लघुशंका.
If good food is put into the belly, sometimes it is vomited, some turns into fecus. If one drinks pure water of Ganga, even that turns into urine.
एवं मळ मूत्र आणि वमन, हेची देहाचे जीवन, येणेची देह वाढे जाण, यदर्थी संशय नाही.
So in short, the whole life of this body is full of these three things: excreta, urine, and vomit. And the body grows on these. There is no doubt about it.
पोटी नसता मळमूत्र वोक, मरोन जाती सकळ लोक, जाला राव अथवा रंक, पोटी विष्ठा चुकेना.
If these things, which are excreta, urine, and bilious vomit, are not in the body, people will die. Even if a person may be a king or a pauper, these things are surely in his body.
निर्मळपणे काढू जाता, तरी देह पडेल तत्वता, एवं देहाची व्यवस्था ऐसी असे.
If we try to clean the body and make it free of these things once and for all, this body will die. So this is just a physical system.
ऐसा हा धड असता, येथा भूत पाहो जाता, मग ते दुर्दशा सांगता, शंका बाधी.
This description applies to a healthy body. If it is a sick body, I doubt very much whether I can even describe it.
ऐसिया कारागृही वस्ती, नवमास बहु विपत्ती, नवहि द्वारे निरोधती, वायो कैचा तेथे.
The child remains in this jail for 9 months in great pain, and all the orifices of the body are closed in the womb.
वोका नरकाचे रस झिरपती, ते जठराग्नी स्तव तापती, तेने सर्व ही उकडती अस्तिमास.
While the child is in the uterus, the various liquids in the body of the mother become hot because of hunger, and the little child's bone and flesh become as if they are boiling.
त्वचे विण गर्भ खोळे, तव मातेसी होती डोहळे, कटवती क्षणे सर्वांग पोळे, तया बाळकाचे.
The fetus in the beginning has no skin, and the mother has a perverted taste for things which are hot and bitter or sour, which really burn the body of the child.
बांधले चर्माचे मोटाळे, तेथे विष्ठेचे पेटाळे, रस उपाय वंकनाळे, होत असे.
The fetus is a bundle of soft flesh, and around the uterus are the intestines of the mother. Whatever the mother eats becomes ready-made food in liquid form for the fetus, reaching it through the umbilical cord.
विष्ठामूत्र वांती पीत, नाकी तोंडी निगती जंत, तेने निर्बुजले चित्त अतिशयेसी.
Thus the child in the womb is surrounded by many dirty things in the mother's body and is subject to infection by germs.
ऐसिये कारागृही प्राणी, पडिला अत्यंत दाटणी, कळवळून म्हणे चक्रपाणी, सोडवी येथून आता.
In this way, the child is suffering very acutely, and at that time he cries out to God, praying him to release him from it.
देवा सोडविसी येथून, तरी मी स्वहित करीन, गर्भवास हा चुकवीन, पुन्हा न येथे.
The fetus says, "Oh God, if you release me from here, I will do my best for avoiding birth again. I will never come here again."
ऐसी दुखवोन प्रतिज्ञा केली, तव जन्म वेळ पुढे आली, माता अक्रंदो लागली, प्रसूत काळी.
Having suffered, fetus takes such a vow. Then the time of delivery comes and the mother starts crying and shouting out of pain.
नाकी तोंडी बैसले मास, मस्तकद्वारे सांडी श्वास, तेही बुजले निशेष जन्मकाळी.
In the nose and the mouth of the child there is blood and flesh, and it cannot even breathe because there is no scope at the time of birth.
मस्तकद्वार जे बुजले, तेने चित्त निर्बुजले, प्राणी तळमळू लागले चहूकडे.
The opening in the head is closed, and the child becomes afraid and starts to suffocate.
श्वास उश्वास कोंडला, तेने प्राणी जाजावला, मार्ग दिसेनासा झाला कासावीस.
Breathing is impossible, and child is harassed. It cannot find its way out.
चित्त बहु निर्बुजले, तेने आडभरी भरले, लोक म्हणती आडवे आले, खांडून काढा.
At that time, the position of the child suddenly becomes complicated, and people say, "We have to make a cut and bring the child out."
मग ते खांडून काढिती, हस्तपाद छेदून घेती, हाता पडिले तेची कापिती, मुख नासिक उदर.
Then they operate, and the hands and feet and whatever limb can be reached is pulled out, may it be the nose, mouth, stomach, or whatever.
ऐसे टवके तोडिले, बाळके प्राण सोडिले, मातेनेही सांडिले कळीवर.
So, as this process happens, sometimes the child is dead and the mother is also dead.
मृत्यू पावला आपण, मातेचा घेतला प्राण, दुःख भोगिले दारुण गर्भवासी.
So, the child itself dies and has killed its mother. Such tremendous suffering can happen in the womb.
तथापि सुकृते करुनी, मार्ग सापडला योनी, तरी अडकला जाऊनी, कंठस्कंदी मागुता.
But if at all by good luck, the child finds his way through vagina. However, sometimes there is a shoulder or head stuck or twisted in there.
तये संकोचित पंथी बळेची ओढून काढिती तेने गुणे प्राण जाती बाळकाचे.
From that narrow path, the midwife and others induce the delivery by force, and then the child might die.
बाळकाचे जाता प्राण अंती होये विस्मरण तेने पूर्वील स्मरण विसरून गेला.
And when the child dies, it even forgets. His memory of all this past is also wiped out.
गर्भी म्हणे सोहम सोहम बाहेर पडता म्हणे कोहम ऐसा कष्टी जाला बहु गर्भवासी.
It is said that while in the womb, the child says Soham, meaning I am that. And when it comes out, it says Koham, meaning who am I? So, in this way, the child suffers very much during pregnancy.
दुःखा वरपडा होता जाला थोरा कष्टी बाहेर आला सवेच कष्ट विसरला गर्भवासाचे.
The child, which has been so miserable, comes out by undergoing a lot of pain, and then as soon as it comes out, it forgets that pain.
शून्याकार झाली वृत्ती काही आठवेना चित्ती अज्ञाने पडली भ्रांती तेने सुखची मानिले.
His senses are benumbed. He does not remember anything. By ignorance, there is great illusion, and then the child becomes happy.
देह विकार पावले सुख दुःख झळंबले असो ऐसे गुंडाळले माया जाळी.
His body sometimes gets sick. It is subjected to pleasure and pain and the cycle thereof. It becomes caught in the net of Maya.
ऐसे दुःख गर्भवासी होते प्राणी मात्रासी म्हणून या भगवंतासी शरण जावे.
Such is the pain in the womb to all creatures. We should therefore surrender ourselves to God.
जो भगवंताचा भक्त तो जन्मापासून मुक्त ज्ञान बळे विरक्त सर्व काळ.
One who is devotee of God is free from birth and becomes desireless only by knowledge and wisdom.
ऐशा गर्भवासी विपत्ती निरोपिल्या येथामती सावध होऊन श्रोती पुढे अवधान द्यावे.
In this way, I have described the suffering in the womb according to my ability, and I request the listeners to pay attention further.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे जन्म दुःख निरूपण नाम समास पहिला श्रीराम.
Thus, in the third dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this first chapter by name Suffering at Birth is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.